Hello.
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 Yeah, I am a Jenny and I am a senior supervisor in marketplace. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great. Actually, the reason on my short call is that you have the health insurance, but still you never receive your benefits package like groceries, utilities, and over-the-counter stuff, right?
Right.
Okay, that's great. So I just have two quick questions to qualify you. So may I know how old are you?
I'm 58.
58. So in the age of 58, you
No,
don't have
5'8".
Medicare, Medicaid.
58. 5'8".
Okay, so in the age of 58, you don't have Medicare, Medicaid, TRICARE, VA, and any employee coverage, right?
No, I make too much money for that, but I'm too young for all the other stuff.
Okay, so in the age of, okay, so my last question is, what's your zip code?
89318.
89318, right?
Right.
Okay, that's great. So stay with me. You are perfectly qualified for this benefits package.
Perfectly.
So stay with me. My senior supervisor is stay with me so you don't hang up the call. You
Oh,
are perfectly qualified for this benefits package, okay?
okay, Jello Brains. Thank you.
Okay, stay with me.
Okay. Who's noisy?
Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm senior supervisor in the marketplace. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you.
That's perfect. Sure, we are handing provide you the subsidy well.
What? I could barely hear you.
You're 58 years. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Sir, you're 58 years old and you don't have Medicare, Medicaid, TRICARE, VA, or any kind of coverage, right?
Well, I just told the other Jello Brains that I don't have any of that stuff. I got just the market insurance.
Sir, and your zip code is 89388, right?
No. 89318.
89.
318. 8 like a number, 9 like a number, 3 like a number, 1 like a number, 8 like a number. 89318.
All right, sir, I got that. So, sir, you're perfectly qualified to receive all the subsidy benefit package and the benefit card for yourself. So now what can I do this for you? I have a license to assist you
Well,
further.
if you tell those other people down in your office there to shut up for a minute, I can hear you better.
All right, sure. Sir, are you residing in which state?
Am I what?
Sir, you are residing in which state? Which state?
Well, if you looked up the zip code 89318, you'll see it's in Nevada.
Nevada. All right, sure, I got that.
Hello? Hello? Hey, Dingleberry. Where'd you go, Dingleberry? Another quitter. They can't hang 2 minutes there with you. Well, you know what? I'm going to try to call this Dingleberry back for sure.
Hi, you were called regarding our sales and marketing.
Sure.
Unfortunately, all of our agents are currently busy.
Your agents are
We
busy.
got your details and we'll get back to you.
I'll bet
If
you
you wish
do.
to opt out from future calls, please press 9.
It doesn't matter. You push 9 all I want, you still keep calling me. Yeah, Dingleberries. That's the Dingleberries. All right. They gave up. Quitters. Bunch of quitters. That's all they are. Just remember, we are screwing with scammers, so you don't have to.